In this video, I'll guide you through how you can connect mobile hotspot to PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. At the beginning, is to open your mobile phone and find Settings app and click on it. Once you find Settings, then scroll down and find Hotspot and Connection and click on it. Now find Personal Hotspot and click on it. Then turn it on. Now click on Hotspot Settings and add a new password for your hotspot and give this a hotspot name and click on the checkmark icon. Then your mobile hotspot is turned on. Also, you have to make sure your mobile data is turned on. Once you do all of these settings, then go to your computer screen. After coming to your computer screen, you need to click on this Wi-Fi icon. Then find Wi-Fi and click on this right arrow icon. And find for a mobile hotspot name and click on it. Now click on this connect button. Then you need to type a password which is set on your mobile device and click on next button. Then it will be connected with a mobile hotspot. By following CT, you can easily connect mobile hotspot to PC.